Okay. So I'm going to give you perspective on the photography industry and why I'll take students, and I'll encourage you, should you be skilled enough, to also take students. The photography industry grows, and the people that you can consider your clients are growing all the time with the growth of social media. Now, the number of photographers growing doesn't reduce your market. It increases it because it increases the number of photos being viewed by the population at all. Should you train someone to take a good photo and they take an amazing photo, and someone who might not normally take a photo because they think they're ugly or whatever, sees this photo of a person just like them, but the light hitting them different. And they get the idea that, wow, what a spiritual photo. Maybe I should have a photo shoot. What you've done is you've increased the size of the industry. So do not be selfish with your information. Be generous with your information because it comes back tenfold. If you make a mighty photographer, you've also made a mighty client base. And what you're doing is you're increasing the size of us as a whole. We're all a team, all photographers. Never compete with someone and say, oh, wow, that's my competition. I need to make sure that like this is very stupid thinking when it comes to the big picture. Make it such that we're all growing. We are symbiotic. We're all part of the same entity, which is builders of image, which is artists, which is photographers.